What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video from Bulls to the Wall Trading. This is going to be my watch list for tomorrow, Wednesday, October 11th, 2017. We're going to jump right into it, but before that, just want to let you know, as always, I'm not a financial planner, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research, and I am not being sponsored by any company. Getting right into it, the first company that I have on my Keep an Eye tab is FSM. The reason I have it is because it reached a high of 488 on Monday, I believe. So it reached a high of $4.88 yesterday. I was watching this one this morning and never really did much. But the reason I have it back on my watch list is because it came down here and it started to creep back up. So I'm going to keep an eye on that. A little bit over 1 million in volume, so that's good. We just got to follow through with it tomorrow. Next one up is EKSO. This one today had a nice little run all the way up to $1.36, and I believe that I drew that line, that $1.36 line, wow, a while ago. Let's see if we can find out when. Dang, that was a while ago. So anyways, that's the high, so that's a big resistance point, so I'm just gonna delete it and draw it again, so I don't have to second guess when I drew it. So yeah, it worked all the way up to $1.36. It came down and now it's around 125, so it has 10 cents to make up, just shy of 3 million, so that's good. So I'm just going to keep eye on this one. Hopefully the momentum from today can carry it over and it can keep pushing up tomorrow. LINU, the next one. This one made a high of 259 today. That's where we drew our line. 8 million in volume, so that's great. And I think if I zoom out, there's another line that I have. Yeah, so here's another line at 320. So this one has potential to break through here, to break through this 254 line or 258 and go all the way to 320. But we have to see what this one does tomorrow. It's all about the volume, it's all about the movement, but it made a pretty big, like almost $1 from the pre-market to the high of the day. So definitely going to keep an eye on this one, hoping that the volume can carry it over and keep that momentum going that it saw this morning. So those are the ones that I'm going to keep an eye on. The way I have it broken down is I have a keep an eye on watch list, and that's usually ones that have a lot of ground to cover. And then I have continuation plays, which are stocks that are a little bit closer to the target area that I want. So the first one there is CASI. And the reason I like this one is because of this movement here in the post market. You can tell that this graph is just flat, never really did much, but it spiked up in the post market. So I like it for that reason. I'm going to keep an eye on it tomorrow. Only 1 million in volume, not too crazy about the volume, but we never know what's going to happen. You never know what's going to happen. So this little spike, it could be something good or it could be nothing, but we need to wait until tomorrow to find out. Next one is MBOT. So with MBOT, it reached a high of $1.51, and I think that was a while back. Yeah, that was on 10.5. And the reason I like this one is because, let me zoom in a little bit, is because of this little movement right here. So it closed right here at around 132, but it's moving up in the post market. So this one could be a good one, and actually this one could go down here to the keep an eye. I just put it on here, continuation. You don't really have to break it up. You can put them all in just one big watch list, but I like to separate them. So this one has a pretty big gap to fill, but gonna keep watching it. Alright, next one is LBIX. Reason I like this one is because of this spike right here, all the way up to 156. So you guys know the deal. We're just going to keep watching this one and hope that with the volume it can carry over. Next one is IDRA. Same thing. This one had a nice little run towards the end of the day to highs of 272. Draw our line right there, and we're going to hope that the momentum can carry it over. DMPI, same thing. I had this line drawn out already in the past. Going to keep an eye on it tomorrow, hoping that it can go over that $1.04. CLSN, this one was the runner today. It made highs of $4.85, so we're going to draw our line there. 15 million in volume, which is very good, and it looks like it's kind of moving up, so we're going to keep an eye on that one. ROKA is another one that made solid gains today to highs of 255. 25 million in volume, so we are hoping that that momentum carries over up until tomorrow, and hopefully it can go above the $2.55 line that we drew. And the last one is MNKD. I have to draw lines here to 696, and it's very close to 696. So all these old lines I'm going to delete, and I'm just going to focus on the 696 that I just drew. Alright, so right there. So again, I'm going to keep an eye on all these stocks right here. Then tomorrow I'm going to run my morning scanner to see if I find anything in the morning, and I'll pick the best 2 to 4 stocks that I like based on the chart pattern and the volume that it's getting. And then I'll focus on just those 4. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe. Please spread the word about my channel. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask or comment if you're unsure about anything, or if there's any videos that you'd like me to do for you guys. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you guys have a wonderful night. Good luck in the market tomorrow, everybody.